Hi, it's Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're looking at one of my favorite stocks, Apple. And I have to tell you, this is not a good thing. This is a weekly chart of Apple, and as you can see back in February of '07, we had a tremendous move up. We came back down, and then we moved up to challenge the highs again and failed. This is a weekly chart, remember. So you've got these 3 points. This is what we talked about in our whiteboard trader series. It's a double top and a pivot point. I did not want to believe that this is happening to Apple Computer, but this weekend I looked at the charts, and lo and behold, the pattern we've seen here, right here, is a continuation pattern to the downside. We're trading at 89.29. We're doing this live. As you can see, it's on the 17th, and the last sale is 89.29, down 95 for the day. Now, the break below this triangle formation is a negative sign indicating further weakness. Now, if we take our points here from, let's say, 120, I'm going to go 120 right here, and up to 200, that's 80. So you take these 2 points, it gives you $80. If you're being a little more conservative, you can go from 120 to, let's say, 190, which is about here, so that's 70 points. Then if you subtract the 70 points from the 120, it takes you down to the $50 range for Apple. Now, all of this is happening while iPod sales, iPhone sales, and the stores seem to be doing very, very well. So what's going on? To be totally honest with you, I don't know, and I don't think anyone else knows, but the market knows for sure. And what the market's doing right now, it's basically saying that the trend is down. Right here, this is no mistaking it. And if we put our trade triangles on here, you'll see exactly where we got short this stock, Apple, and where we expect it to go. So this is the big surprise formation for me, this kind of movement here, and the break below this area right here, indicating a move to $50 or even $40. So that's the target zones that we're looking for with Apple. I think this is the key zone, probably about the 120, the 112 level. The market needs to get over there, 113, 114 maybe, to turn around or just stop going down. That's the key. The strong move down last week was very negative, breaking below this level here. That's a breakout clearly, and we expect that we're going to see just a further erosion in this market. Hard to believe. I love this stock. let me rephrase that. I love this product. I love Apple's products. I have the iPhone. I work on an iMac most of the day, and I just love their products. Quality products, but for some reason the market's saying it's not a quality stock anymore. And this is one of the strongest stocks that we've seen for a long time, especially in the NASDAQ. So looks to me like we're going to see further weakness in this market, which means further weakness in the NASDAQ, which means further weakness in the other stocks and indexes. So look for the bear trend to continue for the rest of the year. I don't believe we're going to see a turnaround before we get into '09, and that's maybe sometime in '09, but we're in a classic bear market, which means prices are just going to keep going down, going down, going down. I don't know if you remember that movie, The Perfect Storm, but George Clooney was in a boat trying to get out of a huge storm, and he finally says, they're not going to let us out. And that's exactly what happens to bear markets. They don't let you out. So look for Apple to be on the defensive, to move lower. These are our target zones that we're looking at right here. And it remains to be seen when we get down there, but I think we're going to see further weakness in the stock. Oh, let me show you one quick thing. I'm going to take everything off the screen. I want to show you our monthly chart, and I'm going to put our trade triangles in here. And as you can see very quickly, 146.53 on 9/11 was our last sell signal. This is on a monthly chart now. Remember, we use the monthly charts and triangles for trend. And right now, our monthly triangles are saying lower. They're saying down. And here we are closing. You go all the way back here. We're looking, gosh, this is back in '06. So this market does not look good. This is the pivot point we told you about on the weeklies. It looks worse on the monthlies, and we're looking for this market to go back to these levels, down to 50 and 40. That's our target zone, and it's just hard for me to believe that Apple can be so negative stock right now. So let's see what happens. Always listen to the market, go with the market flow. That's how you make money trading stocks.